Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today we will complete the chapter The Rescue. So let's read first. Voices sounded within the hut. Someone lit a lantern and a front door burst open. Nalia and two others rushed out and joined in a furious chase. Round and round the baby went with the men in hot pursuit. Nalia, quicker on his feet than the others, almost caught up with the animal but lost his balance and fell flat on his face. Let me explain now. Voices sounded within the hut. Someone lit a lantern. Because of noise, the nearby huts opened their lights and came out to see what is going to happen there. Someone lit a lantern means someone lighted a lantern means lantern. And the front door burst open, and the front door of Nalia's hut broke open. Burst open means break open. Nalia and two others rushed out and joined in the furious chase. Furious means extremely angry. Chase means pursue in order to catch. Nalia and the two other men also started chasing the elephant. The baby elephant went round and round the village, and Nalia and his men were behind him. Nalia ran faster than the men, and he was just about to catch the baby elephant, but he lost his balance and fell on the ground on his face. Nalia wanted to catch the elephant, but he lost his balance and he fell down on the ground on his face. Is it clear? Nalia quickly came up with an idea. They would rush the baby from all sides, cutting off all its escape routes. Under Nalia's instructions, the men separated and jumped at the animal from different directions. The result was not what they had hoped for. The four of them banged into each other while the baby slipped through a gap and rushed blindly straight at Nalia's hut. Let me explain now. They would rush the baby from all sides. Nalia quickly came up with an idea. It means Nalia got an idea. He thought that what if surround the baby from all the four sides? It means if they will block all the four directions, then how would baby elephant ran? They blocked all the four directions. They would rush the baby from all sides, cutting off all its escape routes. Under Nalia's instructions, instructions means orders. According to Nalia's order, the men means guards, separated and jumped at the animal from different directions. They jumped on him in order to catch him. They spread around the elephant and jumped on him in order to catch him. Catch means pakarna. But instead of catching the baby, they bumped into each other. Bumped means strike, takrana. Takra gaye. They bumped into each other and the baby escaped from the small gap and ran straight into Nalia's hut. The walls of the hut were weak as they were made of bamboo. The elephant calf did not know its own strength. It went through the walls as if they were made of paper. Nalia looked up at the heavens, tore at his hair, and emitted a terrible wail. With a fearful howl, he rushed at the baby with murder in his eyes. His hands curved like claws as if to throttle the calf alive. The fleeing baby brought down more walls of the hut. Nalia let out a long, painful cry as he looked at the shambles that had once been his house. Let me explain now. The walls of the hut were weak as they were made of bamboo. Because Nalia's hut was made of bamboo, that's why the walls of the hut were very weak. The elephant calf did not know its own strength. It means the baby elephant was not aware about its own strength. Strength means takat. It went through the walls as if they were made of paper. The walls of the hut were made of bamboo, so the baby calf went straight through it as if the walls were made of paper. Nalia looked up at the heavens, tore at his hair, and emitted a terrible wail. Emitted a terrible wail means screamed, cried out. The baby elephant was bringing down all the walls of his house, and Nalia was so angry that he cried, looking up at the heavens. With a fearful howl, he rushed at the baby with murder in his eyes. Murder in his eyes means look of extreme anger. He cried, looking up at the heavens. He now wanted to kill the baby because he alive with his bare hands because of the destruction it had done to his house. The baby elephant had destructed his house. That's why he wanted to kill the baby elephant. He was very angry. The fleeing baby brought down more walls of the hut. Nalia let out a long, painful cry as he looked at the shambles that had once been his house. Shambles means mess or wreck, because the baby elephant had created mess in his house. That's why Nalia was crying in a painful manner. Get the kunki, Nalia barked. The kunki was the trained elephant. We will have to rope the calf. We must do something, Babul said urgently. If they bring the kunki, the calf doesn't stand a chance. Come, said Dhanai. I know a trick that might work. Let me explain now. Get the kunki, Nalia barked. Nalia now ordered his men because he was very angry. That's why he ordered his men to bring kunki. Kunki was the trained elephant. They decided to tie the calf again with ropes. Babul said that they must do something in order to rescue the calf. Otherwise, once Kunki comes, the baby elephant would be gone for once and forever. They wouldn't get a second chance to save it. They wouldn't get a second chance to save the baby elephant. That's why they must do something to rescue the baby elephant. He led his companions far away from Nalia's hutment and stopped at the point where a narrow trail led into the sanctuary. Dhanai put 2 fingers to his mouth and let out a piercing whistle. This was a trick his father, an experienced elephant man, had taught him. The effect of the whistle on the baby elephant was electric. With great speed, it took off in the direction from which the whistle had come. Let me explain now. He led his companions far away from Nalia's hutment. He means Dhanai came up with a trick. Dhanai and the other 2 children, Babul and Jaunti, went away from the hutment to a place which led directly into the sanctuary. Here, narrow trail means very small width. Narrow means of small width. Trail means track. Very small width track, rasta. This was a trick. Dhanai put 2 fingers to his mouth and let out a piercing whistle. Piercing whistle means unpleasant, high pitched or very high pitched in an unpleasant way, loud sound. Dhanai made a piercing whistle, siti bajana. This was a trick his father, an experienced elephant man, had taught him. His father taught him this type of trick. The effect of the whistle on the baby elephant was electric. With great speed, it took off in the direction from which the whistle had come. It means Dhanai blowed a whistle. This was a trick that his father had taught him. This was a trick for the elephants. The baby elephant speed in the direction from where the whistle was coming. He ran away there because this was the main trick that Dhanai's father taught him. Is it clear? By now, the baby had gauged its own strength. Previously, it had stayed away from the bamboo barrier, but now it rammed straight into the gate. The weak structure came apart and the baby was out. It raced to the waiting boys, who gave it a hurried but affectionate welcome. Then quickly they led the baby into the sanctuary. As they entered the deep woods of the sanctuary, the boys slowed down to find the mother elephant. As if to help them, the mother let out a loud and clear trumpet. With a joyous squeal, the baby broke from the boys and rushed towards its mother. Let me explain now. By now, the baby had gauged its own strength. Gauged its own strength means understood how strong it was. Now, the baby elephant was aware about its own strength. Previously, it had stayed away from the bamboo barrier. Barrier means a fence or other obstacles. But now, it rammed straight into the gate. Rammed means very crowded. The baby elephant speed in the direction from where the whistle was coming. It shattered down the bamboo with his full strength and ran straight into the gate. The baby elephant ran to the boys, who gave him affectionate hug and led him straight into the sanctuary. As they entered the deep woods of a sanctuary, the boys slowed down to find the mother elephant. Suddenly they heard a loud trumpet. Trumpet means bellow sound, sound of an elephant. And it was the baby elephant's mother. It was as if she knew that its baby was here. As soon as the baby saw its mother, it broke loose from the boys and went straight to its mother. In this way, all the three boys rescued the baby elephant from Nalyas, from greedy Nalyas. Is this chapter clear to all of you?